Stormy! Alright then, the panel is out. See if we can get something to pop out, clear the hose. So the story continues. Hi Fraggle friend! We are an expat family living in Qatar, dreaming of liveaboard sailing catamaran life. We have minimal experience, so a lot to learn about sailing and catamarans, which we cannot wait to share with you. Join us for our sailing adventure as we jump into the deep and make our dreams come true. Morning Fraggle friends. Rainy mornings, you know what they feel like. Probably one of the best ones though. Look how cozy it is here. We just finished our fry up breakfast. That's gone, disappeared mostly. Whoa. Hi. Nice. Opa.
Cook cook. Opa cook cook.
We are actually thinking of scrubbing the deck because it's raining now, and I was thinking of scrubbing the deck on my own, and we might pick up a new toilet and mess about in the a little bit. That's the plans for today. Okay.
Now, delete.
Huh? Delete.
Delete. Delete.
Okay, so here we have what should be a new electric toilet that hopefully will fit on the boat. As with any boat, new, well, second-hand boat that we move on to as new owners, that hasn't been used as a liveaboard. Some issues with the toilets. So let's see. Looks for now that it's just a joker valve. If I replace that, it will last for a long time. But not all toilets sound exactly the same, so I wouldn't be surprised if some more parts are worn out. So for now we've ordered one set. I'll try and see what I'll need of it to try and get them fixed up and going. The first thing, I'll just look for this non-return valve in the drain of the toilet to replace only that, and then see how it does, and then we'll take it from there. First, let's find out if we have the right one that actually fits on our boat. Right, that's what we found. Yo, no joker valve as I can see right now, but might be me. Let's see. Funny. Very funny. I took all the items out, I've put them back in because there's no joker valve, no one-way valve kind of thing. So, okay, back on the phone again. Nice.
Nee, ook met deze centimeter.
Dankjewel.
Eet smakelijk.
Eet smakelijk. Eet smakelijk.
Oh, thank you. Kijk eens, ik heb een lekkere appeltaart.
Happy?
From this oven. Yeah, that's fine. Just remember not to use the grill option, because you'll instantly burn it on the top. But anyway, that's been removed, and the apple pie now looks delicious, if I say so myself. I didn't make it, but... Alright, so I've just come to the conclusion, yes, the joker valve is different, but the actual toilet does fit on the fittings, and I guess that's the most important. So we have 4 bolts at the bottom, no, 3 at the bottom, and then 4 at the next level, which you'll see soon. So the joker valve is actually inside here. When you unscrew this, you do see it, and it's a different type to the one that filled on us, which is this one. You see, it's always open, so it has a flow back. Alright, so if I show you down there what I've been up to. So I unscrewed the actual toilet bowl. It was very easy with those 4 there, and then the actual motor unit has those 3 bolts attached, and I'm just about to remove the last one. There you go. Last one. There we go. Now I can take this away, you see, and I can put the next one in. Toilet bowl is waiting there. So that'll be it. So, and the only thing is for the outflow for the new unit, it's actually there on the side, on the other side. So I have to add a little piece of hose, but seems like that's included in the package, so that should not be an issue. Here we go. So the hoses are all different sizes, as you can see. So we had to add some translating
you can
pieces.
twist this one.
Oh well, that was fun. So replace the toilet, new unit, different size of hoses, found connectors, connected it all up, had to change some lengths. Took some time. Anyway, tried it out. Works fine, it flushes and stuff, but the same problem as before. The water comes into it faster than it goes out. So the flow through the drain is just as limited, exactly the same as the other toilet did. So I'm thinking now, either the drain that we put, we had to bend it a bit, causing a bit of a restriction of the flow, so that could be an issue. But it seems exactly the same as before, and I don't think the bend is that much, so then the drain pipe would be blocked. Probably should have tried to do that first, but yeah, I guess we're gonna stick a hose in there or put it under water pressure or something like that. See if we can get something to pop out, clear the hose. So the story continues. Hi. You woke up. Gaat goed?
Because of the wind.
I know, it's windy. Let's see outside. Aye, good morning. Let's stay inside for now. Okay, the inside of the black water tank in a Lagoon 420. This is quality video, people. Dank. Lovely. Okay, so stronger measures are needed, looks like. We try to use chemicals, we try to rinse it with water from the bottom, from the top. Let it stand overnight with chemicals, all sorts, and still it doesn't drain properly. So let's remove this panel. Took out the screws, just cut through the kit here, and the panel is starting to come out. And then hopefully we can access the tank and then the fitting for the hose and then reach it easily so we can clear it. That's the plan for today. Let's see. Alright then, the panel is out. It was okay, literally undo the screws, cut through the kit in the corners, and here we are. Reveal the black water tank with all the hose connections. Easily accessible now. Just one disappearing in there, of course. Alright then. So this is the one for the forward toilet, which we suspect of a blockage. So we just have to take it off and see what we find.
Yes.
Okay.
I would say a water pump would do.
Looks like it's not the first time either.
No, but it's the same as
not
this
the
one.
first time. Same as this, yeah. This has been removed a few times and the structure of it was broken and glued together.
This one as well.
So, but obviously blockages happen and they have to be removed manually sometimes. Like today, it looks like. Very curious to see what we find. If we find nothing, I'll be a bit disappointed because the problem won't be fixed. I'm sure we find something. Let's go.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what's the step? Unscrew or
Take
unscrew?
this off, see what's there.
Huh?
Yeah, I don't know, both. I think all of it. Just check it. Alright then, so the connection to the tank looks clear enough. That's this one. See, it's fine, right? But looking in here, don't know if you can see right now. That looks a bit dirty, like caked on the sides and stuff. We'll have to see. But removing this, we will heat it up with hot water so it can expand and easily come off, because now it takes a lot of force. It's like impossible. And of course the tube, you see, has that metal wire inside, so you don't want to hurt your fingers on that too much. Alright, and then we can see how the hose looks inside, and especially here. Plus if there's any kind of dirt or some kind of blockage there. We're about to find out. I hope so, because otherwise, if this is all clear, then I have no idea what would fix it. Let's see.
I think you're okay.
The marina staff were really helpful. Winds were getting to their maximum, 30 knots with gusts to 40.
If you to touch the pontoon, I think you're fine. If you want to tighten them, we can.
Yeah, bye. A perfect time to go for a little walk. So, maybe an idea to tighten this down a bit. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that would be a good idea.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Aye, nice and stormy. Pretty fresh as well. But everything seems fine in the marina. Well, it's not like ridiculous wind, but the windiest we've ever seen. Josja's suit looked like a wingsuit for a second. Almost went flying. Eh? Lily niet, hè? Lily koud? Yeah. Now. Alrighty, so I used the shower hose to have water come down from the top in there. And the result of the dirt that comes out looks like this. So it looks like bits of paper. I think we're just gonna like pull a line through with some lead. Attach a cloth, towel or anything, or a rag, something to it, and pull it through the tube a couple times. And then I'm sure we'll get a lot of dirt out. Should be much better. And we did all of that too, but the toilet still fills higher with every flush. Could the power supply be the problem maybe? Okay, so next thing we're trying is to put it directly on the battery. So we can rule out a bad power source or weak cables or anything like that. Goed water wegkomt hier. Could it be that the replacement toilet is just not up to the job? Stay tuned to find out in the next episode. To take a break from the toilet troubles, we enjoyed some very fresh air at this cape nearby. subscribe and join us again as we prepare to sail the world, starting here in Cyprus.